Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if GoodNotes isn't opening, crashing, freezing or not syncing on your Android device, don't worry, most issues are easy to fix with a few quick steps. So first thing, restart the app. Okay, so close GoodNotes completely. Okay, remove it from recent apps and reopen it. This fixes temporary glitches. You can also restart your device, your Android device, to turn your phone off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. So this clears system issues. You can also check internet connection, so switch for example between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or switch Wi-Fi from on to off and then from off to on. Try mobile data as I said, or test another network. Okay, so this is needed for sync and EI features. You can also update the app, so open Google Play Store, search for GoodNotes and tap updates. It fixes bugs and improves stability. You can also clear cache and app data, so go to settings in your Android, okay, look for apps and then look for GoodNotes and tap storage, tap clear cache after that, and you can also, this is optional of course, you can tap clear data, so this removes corrupted files. You may need to log in again. Okay, you can also check storage space, so make sure you have enough free space, delete unused apps or files if needed, because low storage can cause crashes. Okay, you can also reinstall the app and then it will work. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.